Everyone, welcome to Teach Together Try. This is a live lesson with Mr. Burns. So let's look at irregular and regular polygons today. Let's have a little test, Year 5. I've got 4 shapes on the board. I will mark them. I'll mark them shape A, shape B, shape C, and shape D. Which ones are regular and which ones are irregular? Write that down for me. Don't tell me. Write it down. If you are listening, pause me and write that down for me if you are a listener. Alright, I hope you paused me. If you didn't, make sure you did, because I'm about to give the answers. A is what we would call a regular polygon. Put up your hand if you got that. Good. B is also what we would call a regular polygon. Put up your hand if you got that. Great. C is what we would call an irregular polygon. Put up your hand if you got that. Right, and D is also what you would call an irregular polygon. Put up your hand if you got that. Good. Alright, we're back, so we're having a little bit of a lesson. There's going to be some interaction with some students here as well, guys. Polygons, students, of all types can be regular or irregular. Who can tell me what a polygon is? What's a polygon? What's a polygon, Alex?
It's a shape that
Yeah.
can be regular.
Thank you. Shape is your simple answer for a polygon. It's like a 2D shape, really, and it can be regular or irregular. Okay? Now, a regular polygon has sides that are equal in length and all its interior angles are equal size. What does interior mean? That's a big word. I shouldn't have used it. What does interior mean? Not Alex, somebody else. Jay? Yeah, it's inside angles. All its inside angles are of equal length. And I've got up 2 poor examples. I'm about to get rid of those examples because I don't. Okay, and here are some great regular polygons. Can anyone tell me what type of polygon this is? Can anyone? Yes, Talia? Yeah, it's a pentagon, and all its sides are equal. There's 5 sides, so it's a pentagon. Pentagon, right? All its sides are equal. They're all the same length, aren't they? All its sides. Does anyone know whether its angles are equal? Yes, Alex? Yeah, they are. We don't have a measuring tool, but I'll tell you right now, you can probably see with your eye they're the same size angles. Does anyone know the angle value, by the way, of every angle in that pentagon? Does anyone know? Olivia? It's hard to know. It's actually 108 degrees. Every angle value in the pentagon is 108 degrees. So we call this, because it's got all the sides equal, right? And all the angles equal. What sort of a pentagon is that? What would we call it? All sides, all angles equal? Yes, Zoe? It's a regular pentagon. Regular. Right? It's a regular pentagon. Over here, here's an old favourite. Are all the sides equal on this square? Yeah. Are they, Max? Yeah. Okay, all the sides are equal. Are all the angles equal on this square page? Yeah, do you know what they all are? All the angles? Angle value? Do you know, Talia? It's 90 degrees. They're all 90 degrees. So we would call this, you could call it a regular square, but it's a bit obvious that it's a square. You call it a regular quadrilateral. It's a bit more mathematical. Quadrilateral. What's a quadrilateral? Can anybody remind me what a quadrilateral is, Alex? Yeah, it's a 4-sided shape. And this is a regular quadrilateral, which is, by definition, a square. Okay, because all its sides are even, all its angles are even. I can hear in trouble on the video. Oh well. And 3, 2, 1, we're back. Well, I'm going to get rid of that now because I think we've got a sense of what regular pentagons are. So I'll just delete that. Okay, here we go. And I'll do my most fun bit here, which I like doing this. I like to create. Well, who can tell me what I'm creating here? What have I made here? These are unusual shapes, aren't they? What have I made here? A page? Yeah. Yeah, they're definitely irregular, aren't they? Because irregular polygons have sides of any length and angles of any size. You know, irregular, they're a bit funny looking, to tell the truth, aren't they? They're a bit funny looking, irregular shapes. Anyone tell me, by the way, what we would call this one then on the left? There is a name for it. Yes? Perfect. It is an irregular quadrilateral because, well, that's not the same length as that, and that's not the same length as that, and that. They're all different lengths, right? And all the angles are different values. All the angles are different values as well. So we call it an irregular quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Perfect. Well done. All right, bonus points over here. This is a fun shape. There is a name for this shape. Can you tell me if it's irregular or regular? What is it? What do you think? What do you guys think? You can tell me if you listen on the video. What do you think? What do you think, Laura? It's definitely irregular. Because why? Why is it irregular? Because and the side, yeah. Yeah, the sides are all different. The angles are all different. You know, even if this is the same length as that, right? This is still different, isn't it? So if they're all the same except for one little bit, it's still irregular. Okay? If it's all the same except for one little bit, it's still irregular. To be regular, it's all got to be exactly equal. Okay? So what type of irregular polygon is it? Has Alex worked it out? Is it? Has it got 7 sides, Alex? Let me count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wow. It is a septagon. We don't learn about septagons in Year 5, really, but we're learning about it today. Irregular septagon, a 7-sided shape. Okay? I think you've got an idea. I think I might even have a task for you to do. Do I? I do. Okay, guys, I'm going to label these A, B, C, D, and E, and I would like you to have a go at telling me whether they are regular or irregular. Have a go. And I'll pause the video while my students are waiting. Alright, A, guys, is quite interesting, I thought. What did you have for that? Yes, Zoe? Yeah, it's an irregular triangle. Irregular triangle, because these sides are the same, aren't they? Great. But this one's not. And that's actually an isosceles triangle, isn't it? For those of us who've worked that out. That's an irregular triangle. What about B? Yes, Talia? Yeah, that's a regular polygon. Not a polygon. Well, it is a polygon, but to be more specific, it's a regular pentagon. Great. What about C? What do you have for that one, Jay? Yeah, it is oh, is it? Yeah, it is. It's a diamond. Yep, good, I remember. It's a regular, you could call it a square on its side, or a regular diamond, or a regular, the more mathematical word, starts with Q. It's a quadrilateral. It's just on its side, isn't it? Do we know about this one? I think that's pretty obvious, isn't it? What's that one? That's regular, isn't it? That's a regular. Again, that's a regular quadrilateral, which is by definition a square, really, or a diamond. This last one I thought was fun. This star, what can we say about that? Talia. Yeah, does anyone know what one it is? It's an irregular. How many sides is it? Well, you do better than calling it a star. Yes? Yeah, it's got 10 sides, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which makes it a decagon. It's an irregular decagon. All right, I'm just going to... Well, thanks for involving yourself in this lesson, students who are listening. See you next time.